Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So I was under the assumption that I had the address portion um, covered up enough, but apparently, or the tracking number, apparently I did not. And I'm gonna have to pause while I do this. Hold on. Okay, so let's get this open. It has been a while since I have ordered from Andi's Quilt Co. And she was having a sale, so I ordered, whoops, I ordered some fabric. Remember those blenders I told you that I loved? Oh my goodness. I think this might be the teal, and that is gorgeous. And look how they kind of coordinate. But that's not why I bought them. Oh my goodness, this color, to me, it doesn't look like it shows up uh, near the color that actually is gorgeous. This is, I think, the sage. Um, all of these are 2-yard cuts. This is the pink. She had one and I got it. This is the, I don't know, denim, I think, or navy. I think it's navy. And that is a beautiful dark blue. This is a light mauve, and it is really, really pretty. I think that's lavender. I'm not sure. I'll have to look at my order. One of the purples. Oh, we have a, this is the dark mauve, which I absolutely love. This one is celery. It's a nice kind of green and yellow and stuff. It's really pretty. And this is aqua. And this is the other one that I only have 1 yard. So the rest of these are all 2-yard cuts. So yes, I told you I needed some blenders, and I'd found my new blenders that I love. Now I am in a quandary because my husband, when I told him I wanted to buy this fabric, he's like, and he's like, how much are you going to buy? And I think we sort of kind of had a compromise on how much I wanted to buy and how much he allowed me to buy. I shouldn't say allowed. I go for it when I buy fabric. Anyway, he told me in buying all of this that I have to use up or get rid of twice this amount before I can buy more fabric. And, I'm like, well, what does that mean? And he goes, exactly what I said. And he told me that there is a condition. I cannot have unfinished quilt tops. So I can't just make quilt tops and leave them unfinished now that I have the long arm. So right now, from here going forward, I have 44 yards to use before I can buy more fabric. And if I make a quilt or a table runner or anything, it has to be quilted and have the binding on. And that's going to be a hard thing. I asked about clothing, and he said that counts. I can donate, that counts. And I still have totes and totes and totes of fashion fabric. So that might not be hard. And I love all of this stuff. So Andy's has a wonderful, wonderful selection, and she's really got some fast shipping. So swing over there and check out what she's got. You know, I'm not really affiliated with her other than being a customer that has bought a lot of wonderful fabrics from her. And with that, I'm going to get these on my cards, put it up in my stash, and start playing. But let me show you one of the reasons I wanted some of this. I'll actually show you two of the reasons. I think some of these would look really good with this, possibly. I don't know. But I bought a couple of them specifically to audition for this because I'm not sure which I'm going to use, but I figured with it being modeled the way this was, it could bring out various colors in here depending on which fabric I was using. And I wasn't sure, and I'll be playing around with this. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to use like this and this or that. I don't know. But that is, this right here is one of the reasons I bought so much of this. Talk to you later.